Hey there, it's Rowan from Bright Composite Decking Solutions, and I know what you're thinking. Which board is right for me? Well, the team and I put together a very helpful guide for choosing the best board for you and your incredible new deck. This is our Urban Eco Collection, a different colour on each side, making this the most versatile board on the market. This board is also capped, meaning the inner core is binded to an outer core during manufacturing, making it much stronger and maintaining the incredible modern look for much longer than a non-capped board. This is a great choice for someone seeking a contemporary look with the benefit of strength and low maintenance. Now available in 3 dual colours. This is our Solid XS collection. Thicker for handling heavier loads and using advanced composite technology allowing high resistance to Australia's unique climate. This is the widest board on the market and is incredibly strong and durable. Perfect for homeowners, high foot traffic commercial projects and public projects such as marinas. We have 7 beautiful colours to pick from and 2 choices of finishing: deep groove or wood grain. Next we have our old boat collection. This is very much like the Solid XS collection, but a vintage version. We've recreated natural variances and indentations similar to driftwood to provide an aged look and feel. If you're looking to build a deck that is just as strong and durable as our Solid XS collection, but you're chasing that rustic feeling, then our old boat collection is perfect for you. It's available in 4 incredible colours. Finally, we have our Next Gen Titanium collection. This is our flagship ASA PVC composite decking. It's the most natural looking decking material in Australia and has been beautifully engineered with a double protective outer coating. It's an improved alternative to ABS wood, acquiring much higher long-term heat resistance, higher chemical resistance, and 10 times the weathering and UV resistance of ABS. It easily survives the 6,000-hour UV test. Trust me, this is the strongest and longest lasting decking material out there. The genius engineering and double capping protection make this an excellent choice for commercial, heavy traffic and larger installations. Our Next Gen Titanium collection is available in 3 beautiful colours: Silver Grey, the architect's choice; Pacific Merbau, the tropical look; and Desert Sand, the beach house look. Whether you need maximum strength, versatility, protection, or are chasing a certain look to match your home or business, I know we have something in our collections that'll work perfectly for you. If you need some inspiration, I invite you to take a look at our Get Inspired section on our website to view some stunning projects that people all around Australia have created using Bright Composite Decking. Just a reminder that our decking comes with free accessories, clips and screws, and has a guaranteed warranty up to 30 years, depending on the boards you purchase and their use. If you're interested in seeing some of our decking up close before you purchase, please contact us for a free sample sent straight to your door. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you decide what board works best for you, and we look forward to seeing your projects come to life. See you next time.